Hey everyone, it's Julie. Hope everyone's having a great day today. Today I will be showing you how to make cauliflower rice. You'll need 1 package of rice cauliflower, a tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil, and a pinch of sea salt. Don't forget to subscribe, like it, share it, comment, love it. In a large skillet on high heat, add the extra virgin olive oil and allow it to heat up for about a minute. Then add the cauliflower rice. You can also use 1 cauliflower head and just put it in your food processor to slice and dice it. But since I want to save more time, that's why I purchased the rice cauliflower package. Allow to cook for about 10 minutes on low to medium heat. Using your spoon, stir the cauliflower rice occasionally. Cook until the cauliflower rice is cooked thoroughly. Serve and enjoy.